So I made some brioche. It's been a couple of days. I usually make them into buns like these, but I don't know with what confidence. I just braided them, hoping that they'd turn out to be looking as fancy as the usual halal bread. But well, shaping didn't went so well, but the outcome seems great. But what are we gonna make with this brioche? Well, searching through the fridge, I found some eggs, maple syrups, and some bananas. So, French toast it is. Now, let's cut down the bread. You want it quite thick, about that thick, because the thicker the bread, the more custard it can soak up. So, you want it nice and thick. Yeah. Now, let's make some custard. We need 2 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk, some sugars, and a little bit of salt. Now whisk that all together and add in some milk. That's about 2 cups of milk and just a few drops of vanilla extract. And now we want to soak the bread. We want to fully submerge the bread in the custard so that it soaks up really nicely. It makes it all creamy and moist. Butter. We're gonna butter the pan really nicely. The heat, keep it like medium high for the first half. And as we flip it, we're gonna lower the heat to medium low so that the bread cooks evenly all throughout through the center. Lower the heat. Let's cut some bananas. We're gonna slice it vertically, lengthwise, and you wanna keep the peels on. I've tried it without the peels, but it's really hard to cut through it because it doesn't stay together. So you wanna keep it on and then cut it, then remove the peels. Now let's flip the bread once again. Really nice color. Continue cooking with the rest of the bread as we plate things up. Let's go ahead and plate it up. Let's do a simpler version. Alright, there you have it. Brioche French toast. Enjoy!